Hey guys! Uncle Chris here. Quick viewing tayo ngayon. Reopen 3-bedroom corner unit, 51st floor Soraya building. Best part about this unit? Oh, di ba? Napakaganda ng view. We're currently here in the 51st floor as I mentioned. And this is the balcony from the living area. And yan yung panoramic view nyo. O, di ba guys? Napakaganda. So this is a reopen unit, 3-bedroom. And we currently only have 2 reopen 3-bedroom units which was previously sold out. So kung naghahanap kayo ng 3-bedroom or matagal na kayo naghahanap ng 3-bedroom, message na guys. So quick lang na kitchen, common toilet and bath, provision for washer and dryer, bedroom number 1, good for kids room, bedroom number 2, and then syempre, 3-bedroom, master bedroom, yun yung ensuite natin, and then another best part about this one is 3-bedroom corner, second balcony. Kita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda. So, mapa-bedroom man or mapa-living area, napakaganda ng view ng unit natin. So, to know more about this unit or to schedule a viewing para mapasok nyo to and then makita nyo, pero bilisan nyo lang, message na kayo guys. So, ano nga pang inaantay natin? Message na guys. See you soon. Bye!